PPC stands for pay-per-click, and it's a form of marketing where you buy ad space on a platform like Google, Bing, or social media sites like Facebook or Instagram. Pay-per-click marketing is just that. You only pay when someone clicks your ad and visits your website. We customize and bid on the right keywords for your business. When someone searches Google for one of your keywords, your ad is eligible to appear depending on the keyword's popularity and the number of competing ads. Now let's see it in action. Let's say someone types this into the Google search bar. Here's what the result could look like on a mobile device. And this is what it would look like on desktop. PPC can help you get more customers by putting your ads up for some of the best quality searches for the services that make you the most money. No shop can appear number one all the time, but with PPC, we can help you choose the best way to get in front of the most customers for the services that you want without paying when they don't click on your ad. Contact us today to see how PPC can keep more cars in your bays.